In the fast-moving motorcycle market, not every shiny new machine holds its worth. While some bikes age gracefully and even become collectibles, others plummet in value within just a few years. In this video, we'll explore 12 motorcycles that are expected to drastically depreciate by 2026. From popular Japanese models to flashy European names, these are the bikes that might leave your wallet feeling lighter. Let's find out which ones to avoid if you're serious about keeping your investment safe. 1. Harley-Davidson Street 750. Once marketed as the affordable gateway into the Harley lineup, the Street 750 is now facing major depreciation. Poor build quality, underwhelming performance, and Harley's own discontinuation of the model have all hurt resale values. By 2026, used prices could be shockingly low. 2. BMW G310R. While the BMW badge adds prestige, the G310R hasn't lived up to the brand's reliability or refinement standards. Owners report inconsistent quality and weak resale compared to rivals like the KTM Duke 390. As newer small displacement bikes arrive, this one will sink fast. 3. Kawasaki Ninja 400. The Ninja 400 remains a fantastic beginner bike, but its mass production and constant model refreshes make it depreciate quickly. With newer models offering better electronics and design updates, used prices are expected to fall sharply. 4. Yamaha MT-03. Despite its sporty looks, the MT-03 struggles against strong competition. Its limited performance and lack of updates mean riders are looking elsewhere. Dealers are already discounting unsold units, a bad sign for long-term value. 5. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. While it's charming and affordable, the Meteor 350's resale value drops quickly outside South Asia. Slow power delivery and limited international appeal mean used prices are already flattening and could collapse further by 2026. 6. Ducati Scrambler. The Scrambler wave has passed. Once a trendy lifestyle bike, demand has fallen due to oversaturation and reliability complaints. Combined with Ducati's high maintenance costs, depreciation is accelerating fast. 7. Suzuki GSX-S 750. With Suzuki focusing more on newer 800cc and 1000cc platforms, the GSX-S 750 has been left behind. Aging technology and limited updates make it a tough sell in the used market. Expect steep drops soon. 8. Honda Rebel 500. This cruiser looks stylish, but it's become one of the most common used bikes on the market. Oversupply and lack of significant upgrades mean its value is slipping faster than many expect. 9. Triumph Street Twin. While it offers great looks, Triumph's smaller classics face tough competition and expensive maintenance. Many riders are opting for cheaper alternatives like the Re-Interceptor 650, pushing Street Twin resale down. 10. KTM 790 Duke. The 790 Duke was exciting at launch, but with the 890 Duke and newer models now available, resale values are taking a hit. Its high maintenance costs and known electronics issues don't help. 11. Indian Scout 60. Heavy weight, limited comfort, and high service costs have turned off many buyers. As Indian shifts focus to newer liquid-cooled engines, the Scout 60 could become yesterday's bike, fast. 12. Zero SR-F Electric. Electric motorcycles depreciate quicker than gas bikes due to battery lifespan and tech obsolescence. The Zero SR-F, though advanced, will likely lose major value as newer, cheaper electric rivals enter the market. Conclusion. Before you buy your next motorcycle, remember, brand names don't always mean lasting value. Market trends, new tech, and reliability all play a role in what your bike will be worth a few years from now. Avoiding these models could save you thousands in the long run.